Hi, I'm just picking cucumber out of my teeth over here.
Hey guys, what is up? We're camping and it's our second day here. We got here last night and we're having lunch right now. We're gonna have tacos and then we're going into the town. There's Lily. So we just finished eating lunch and we're going to go into town in a little bit. So I'll vlog all of that stuff that will come up next. I'm making a bracelet right now. Here's the pattern. She's making one as well.
I don't have mine. I'm gonna read instead. I know.
Are you forced to read or are you doing it for fun?
No, I'm doing it for fun.
Fishing store right now. That's definitely good lighting. Caught it.
Place your item in the bagging area.
Anyway, they make that basically a big long top.
We got $1 grab bags and she's opening hers. Go. Oh. Oh, it's not that bad.
Interesting.
It's a bracelet.
Like does it fit on me? Oh yeah, it's
for
stretchy.
$1, I mean, hey, why?
She's opening hers. Oh.
Fancy.
It's okay.
It's got like little kid things.
Yeah, for $1, I mean, hey,
That's
why
too
not?
good.
We made it back. Okay, so we got these ice cream things and we didn't have we had a lunch bag, but they're definitely melted. So now we gotta put them in the freezer.
Right.
Look at these bad boys. Woo!
They even got mint. Like,
What the heck? Okay, so we are down at the lake now. We just went swimming and stuff, and now we are going back.
we played frisbee.
We played with the frisbee. And now we're going back for dinner, and then we're in a kayak later. Any words?
I don't know, it might storm soon, but who knows? I hope not. The clouds are getting a little heavier.
Here's the lake. There's 2 beach spots here and over there. It's not frozen.
Don't focus on it.
Oh, look at you.
We're playing a game now.
Let's make up our own rules. Alright. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Subject starts with an M. Everybody ready?
Mm-hmm.
Things, here we go. Things at school. Teachers.
You don't press the button.
That's your letter.
Starts
Oh,
with an
teachers.
M.
Mrs.
Mark then. Mashed potato. Oh, Mom got it.
Yeah, you got it.
And then you read the subject.
And then press that? Or
Yeah.
things you throw out.
Rubbish.
Could it go?
Rubbish.
Recyclables.
Radish.
Red onions.
Rotten food.
Things with holes.
Roof.
Round
Roly polies.
tubes.
Roofs.
Yeah!
Oh, hot potato.
It's a hot potato.
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. So it's almost lunchtime. It's the next day, and we had breakfast. We woke up kind of late, took the dog for a walk, and now we're playing some game. So that's what we're doing. And then we're gonna have lunch. We might go into the town here and do putt-putt. So yeah, that should be fun. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm also making a new bracelet now. I'll show you guys. See the pattern? Anyways, that should be fun.
I'll put it on. Large straight.
Without people. 40. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you don't have the 4. Sorry. Sorry to get your hopes up. Oh, move this back. No.
Oh my god. I'm getting wet. So now we are going on a little walk and we're going to go see some horses, we think.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stick in. Look at that. It's gonna go in.
Oh.
Oh, I like it.
Oh.
It's kind of awkward. I think I'm on the safe road. Oh,
We're making pizza crust.
You'll have to divide it once we're done. Oh, she did. Wait, no. Look, you spilled half of it, so now you don't have the right amount. I'm trying.
Alright, it says.
Do I do this?
There's all that.
Hi. Oh god.
What is up? So it's our last full day here and Morgan's here. We're at the beach right now and we are gonna stay at the beach for a little bit, tan, stuff like that, eat lunch, and then we might go into another little town around here. So yeah. What's up, everybody? We're on our way to a little town near here. And that's what we're doing. We just got some ice cream. We also bought some shirts and a sucker.